Today we're showing you how to install Tusk seat risers on your KRX 1000. With these, you're not stuck with your stock seat position. You can customize it to where you want it. So whether you want to tilt the seat forward, tilt it back, or just raise the whole thing up or down, you have 8 different spacers to get the custom feel that you want. Now with these kits, you can either tilt 2 different seats or raise one seat completely. So if you're completely raising the seats, you need 2 kits. Be aware of that. And then on the 4 seats, you're only going to be able to adjust the front seats. So with all that being said, these are super simple to install. It should take about 5 minutes. You can get these kits on our website. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out, you want to remove your seat cushion. Then we're going to slide the seat forward and loosen up the back 2 mounting bolts. We're using a 14mm socket to do that. Then we're going to slide the seat back and we're going to completely remove these 2 front mounting bolts. With those out, we're going to pull up on the adjustment lever and we're going to completely remove our seat. After that, we can remove the 2 remaining bolts. The kit comes with 8 different spacers. That's where you're getting all of your adjustability. You can use as few as 2 spacers or you can use all 8. You're also getting 4 M10 by 40mm bolts. The next step is to install your spacers. So these just sit under the slide rails and you can use just one all the way around for a 1/2 inch rise or 2 of them, which is what we're doing all the way around. That's a 1 inch rise. So we've set those under the slide rail. I'm going to install that bolt that came in the kit. I'm going to thread this in, but I am going to leave it loose enough so I can still make adjustments in the front. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And then in the front, what we're going to do is just set the 2 spacers underneath that rail. And we need to slide the seat into place before we install the bolts, because those bolts are going to act as a stop. So once they're in place, you're not going to be able to pull the seat off, or if it is off, you're not going to be able to get it on. After that, we're going to tighten down all 4 bolts. After that, I'm going to install the seat cushion. I'll slide the complete seat forward and back, make sure everything's working correctly. And if you want to make adjustments from here, you can go ahead and do that, whether you want to tilt the seat forward or back, or only go a 1/2 inch, or whatever you want to do, you can make those adjustments. That's how you install the Tusk seat risers on your KRX 1000. It's simple to do, and if you need these, they're available on our website. You can click the link in the description below for that. We also offer free shipping on orders over $75, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if you want to see more helpful content for your KRX, subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.